therapy, hydrotherapy, the exercise, cold laser, and Titus is doing, I shouldn't say he's doing so much better, I should say he's starting to make progress. And it's such a good feeling because the first, I would say 3 weeks, Titus wouldn't touch toes to the ground at all. And now it's completely flipped where he touches toes to the ground most of the time and hardly ever lifts it up anymore. So since Titus had his little hike and he had fun and we had fun together as a pack, I feel like our spirits have been lifted. I feel so much better. I was definitely in a mini depression since Titus got injured. I think we all were, even the girls. You can even see the girls when we took them all for that little hike, that first hike for Titus. They had so much fun. It's like the whole family was finally back together again. It was the best feeling. And we haven't done it since that day. Today is Tuesday. That was 2 days ago when we did that because we don't want Titus to, overextend himself yet. You have to be cautious when you do conservative management. You have to do it the right way. You can't go really fast. So we had that on Sunday. Yesterday was a rest day for him with cold and hot packs. Have I shown this to you guys? I think I have to record it. But our therapist, Titus's therapist, Monet, told us to do cold and hot therapy for Titus with like a warm pack and a cold pack. I have to show it to you. So we've been doing that, but no exercise yesterday. And today he's going to therapy. And we're also going to put the girls, there's Titus, hey buddy. We're also going to put the girls in the therapy too. You don't have to wait till your dog is injured to do those great exercises. And they're not babies. The squad is between 7 to 10 approximately of what we know. One day we'll tell you guys a story how the Husky squad came into our life. But yeah, there are so many things hindsight that I'm looking back that I wish we would have done all these years preventive to avoid injuries. But we live and we learn, and that's one of the things we're learning. Water exercise is so fantastic for dogs. So we're doing water therapy for Yuna and for Kimari in the treadmill. Surprisingly, Kimari freaked the heck out last time. She doesn't love baths. I think that's why it was probably freaking her out. But Yuna was so cute. She surprised me. I thought she was gonna be the one that's like, why is this treadmill moving under my legs? But no, she crushed it. She did so good. So we'll see how they do today. And it's also really helpful because we're having such a hard time exercising together as a pack, plus with all the work that we have, that we can't just, we can't dedicate too many hours in a day just for this. So when we go for water therapy with Titus, we also do it for Yuna and for Kimari. And water therapy is super tiring. It uses a lot of their muscles and a lot of their energy. That this way they get their exercise for the day too. So they're all going to do the water treadmill today, and I'm excited to see how Yuna is going to be. I think she's going to run potentially. We'll see, because she was going at a pretty nice pace last time. And hi Yuna, you want to go in the water therapy? Ooh, I've been getting kisses from Yuna lately more. Yuna is stingy with kisses. Hey Yuna, you're gonna have to sit though, mama. Good girl. Hi. That is Yuna's spot. That is definitely Yuna's spot. Next to her daddy. See the
coffee kisses.
She just wants daddy kisses.
No, she just wants to smell coffee.
Yeah, she loves her daddy. This girl's a daddy's girl. Hi, what? And Mari's hanging out over there. The girls are always in the front. Anywho, I'm gonna show you guys what I did. So I packed this little bag. I don't really use this bag anymore, but it's becoming really handy. And you can have poop bags and you can have treats in that bag. It's big. But to encourage them not to be afraid and to use the water treadmill and get used to it, organic cheese. Little organic, that is their weakness. Cheese is the squad's weakness. They love this so much. The funkier the better. But it's not good to give cheese to your dog all the time, so this is only on very special occasions. And today is a special occasion because I really want him to do well in the treadmill, in the water treadmill. So that's those treats. And bag. 1 second. And then we have these treats. These are amazing. These are our favorite trail treats. I packed them in another Ziploc bag because you have to keep them fresh or they get dried out. But these are so good because they don't make your fingers that dirty. So those are our favorite trail treats, training treats, recall treats. Those are great. And it will all be linked in the Amazon shop that we have here on our channel. It will be in the description. But those are really, really great for everyday activities where you don't want your fingers to become a hot mess and still be very minimal ingredients. Really, Yuna? See that? That's Yuna's life. Yuna. I think Yuna has the hardest life. Mwah. Today is our last day when we're driving this far for hydrotherapy because we are going back home. The next time we're doing hydrotherapy is actually going to be during our road trip back home. See you guys in a little bit. Yeah? What you singing about, Mommy? Titus. You have any stories, Titus? You want to go to the hydro?
Really?
Titus, you want to go ahead? Yeah? You want to go, buddy? What? You love it here. They're all happy. Some more? You get too many treats and not enough exercise, huh? Not a bad day. Treats and therapy in the same time. It's a good thing, right?
I wish people would give me like brownie bits while I go through stuff like this. Yeah,
that's
in the
probably
gym while everyone's feeding you brownie bits. Perfect. Yeah, exactly.
Do another set. Yeah, I'll do another set for brownie.
Exactly. As a good boy. Yes, good boy. Put your back down there. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Yeah, good boy. It's so exciting. Yes, good boy.
It's almost like he's forgetting.
That was so good. Can you sit? Sit. Yes. No, down. Down. Yes, good boy. That's it. That's a good boy. You can do it. You can do it. Get up here. Yeah. You can put your back paws on here. You can do it, I promise. Good boy. It's a good boy. Keep going. Come on, keep going. Yes. You're a cheater. You're cheating. That's cheating. You're cheating.
It's
like, what are you
tries to find the easiest way out.
way out. That's Titus.
Go for a swim. Go for a swim. Great.
Boy, buddy.
Good boy.
Good boy. He wants the treats. He's completely ignoring me. That's hilarious. Lindsay and Lewis were back to drinking that water.
Good boy.
Come on, girl. You can do it. Good girl. Titus can't control himself, huh?
Alright, come.
Good girl, mommy. Go. Good girl. Go, baby. Come on. Good girl. Come on, mom. Let's go, baby. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Come on, mama. Let's go. Let's go. Good girl. Good girl. He's so cute. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl, mama. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Why are you so excited? Come here. She wants to play. Are you ready? You know you want to go walk the walk? Why is she so hyper? Are you hyper? Are you ready for your walkers?
You love treats? Ready to get treats? Okay.
Let's see if she walks in.
Come on, Nina. Come on.
Wow.
Good girl.
When is another story, huh? She's like, I got this. It involves cheese. Wow.
Good girl.
Instantly, huh?
They can be the most random. I swear she's red.
Hi, baby. It was a good day. It was a very good day at the Wolf Center. We have one more time to go there before we go to Portland, and we'll miss that place. We'll miss Minay, our awesome therapist. And now I feel like I just want to go home and wash all this cheese off my hands. There's so much cheese. The squad had so much cheese. It encourages them. It's their favorite snack. We don't give it to them all the time, but it's good when you want to motivate them. And they did amazing. Titus started the first water therapy on the treadmill with either 3 or 4 minutes the first day, and he reached 15 minutes today, which is incredible. water treadmill. Kimari and Yuna both did 25 minutes each, and Kimari wasn't scared anymore, right, Mama? Are you gonna pancake Yuna? Oh, there it comes. Wait, hold on. Yep, there it comes. Look, look, look. You guys see that happen? It's close. One more minute. She's gonna pancake her all the way. I'll try to catch it. But they're tired. Water therapy is so intense for dogs. There it is. Yep, the full-on husky pancake head. There you go. So 25 minutes. I have to ask Monet again, but it's equivalent of, I don't know how many miles they did. I think it was probably around 2-3 miles, and it's intense because it's really working the muscle. So that was a really good day. Squad is tired. Titus is tired. He's conked. Titus, you got done? You guys are done? Yeah, you're done? So now I'm just going to back to work here in the car on my laptop as usual and head home and actually start planning our trip back to Portland. We have packing to do, cleaning to do. Our Airbnb host was absolutely amazing. Any of you guys that come here to southern Utah and you want a place that's quiet, tranquil, away from all the noise, away from everything, just peace and quiet. Things are a little bit farther to go to get stuff, but it's so worth it. I mean, they're grocery stores. 2 of them actually not too far from the cabin, but just resources are a little bit farther away. But all the trails are nearby, and that's the most important thing. And there's actually a beautiful trail canyon that a lot of you guys saw in our trail stories on Instagram that we did so often. It was like, I have so much husky hair on my face right now. It's just a beautiful trail right behind the cabin. So if you guys ever come down here, I'll leave the link below where you can book this Airbnb cabin. It's dog friendly to respectful dog parents. It's a beautiful, amazing, magnificent place that book at least a week. That's all I could say. Stay here at least for a week. It was a great experience, our second time, and we hope to be back in the future. And we're so grateful for our amazing host, Hannah, who was gracious to allow us to stay here for such an extended time. We were going to stay here till March, but as you guys know, the trip got cut short. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, share this video with family and friends. Show everybody what's possible to do with natural, holistic dog care. You don't need to go the surgery route. There are other alternatives that are worth researching, worth putting an effort in, and it does pay off because we're already seeing progress with Titus. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on Husky Squad.